Okay, now I'm going to try this for YouTube. Let's go look at a boat. Rampant Gael. There's the new fuel tanks and water tanks. My high-tech cantilevered Navy style ladderway. Lazarette. And we have ventilation. Let's see if I can get this off without making a mess. And of course, it's getting windy. Maybe I should have set this up a little better. Now, we're going to go inside. All right, we're in the aft berthing, coming through the aft hatch. Engine room. Closet. Main saloon. But, as you can see, it's empty. Engine space, transmission. This is where the tanks will be going. Port side. Starboard side. And there's some of my tools from flaring the vents for the water tank. Right there. Forward head. Actually, it's going to be the only head by the time it's done. Got a lot of stuff ripped out. Still got tools scattered out everywhere. Good exercise. Just setting up fans to keep things cool, or at least somewhat cooler than it is outside. Storage compartments. Yeah, we've got some plywood to put in. There's where the chain locker will end up being. Another storage compartment. And this is the forward berthing. It's supposed to be chain locker, but that'll be a sail locker when it's done. A lot of shelving, drawer space. Yeah, we got some custom drawers ordered. And we're going to be doing the head. It's all new stuff. The original port lights, which leave little to be desired, will be replaced with the Newfound Metals Tri-Matrix. And these main cabin port lights will be replaced with brand new acrylic. She's not much to look at right now, but she will be, hopefully soon. I'm looking for my latest cool item. Here we have a remote control system. I can turn things on, like lights. and even the vacuum cleaner. Although you can't hear it, you can see the lights flicker when I turn it on and off. 1.5-inch vacuum hose leads out to the dust collector. The grand tour. Let's see if I can do this without killing myself. That's where the aft head used to be, but that will be converted into a workstation, complete with stainless steel work surface and a vise, and of course lots of tools. There's lots of wood to replace. A lot of the original attachments are rotted away, gone. That used to be a locker, like a medicine cabinet. And that one is where the water lift muffler used to reside. That leads up to the pedestal wheel steering. And these cables will be replaced with Dyneema rope. And that's about all I can think of right now from the inside. Other than that, and that's the drain for the cockpit. That's the other drain for the cockpit. Crosses over and goes down to that seacock right there. Which makes me wonder, why did they have that seacock? That looks like a drain. And more importantly, why did they have that one? Well, that's because right there, they had a drain on deck. But my decks will spill overboard. Until next time, have fun.